The hurt made it work brick by brick, making the whole world feel this itch. Ooh, big dreams, big moves, now I'm stepping up the pace. Walk it out, local legend, I'm claiming my space. Right now, real big vision, it's all so clear. From big to bigger, ha, and now the real, the big, the bigger, the business is here. Yo, be real, be you, let your spirit ignite. Embrace the real be step into your life. Relieve me, recognize the truth, your whole side.
Yo, let's go. Cooking really big. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do anything I can to get busy, you hear me? Get some of that cheddar. Anyway, I'm gonna make this real quick. Got some rice. What you gonna do with that? I got some orange. What you gonna do with that? Onion. Some gravy. This, y'all know these. Spinach. And a bunch of cut up stuff. You'll see what it is. Green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. And some turkey. What you gonna do with that? I don't know. We gonna find out. Wait, is this thing on? Cooking really big. Stay tuned. Ground turkey. Make some meatballs or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I just be improvising. We gonna do something with it. And first thing we gonna do, I already melted a little butter. We wanna try to keep the turkey, you know what I'm saying? Because it's gonna dry out. So we're gonna try to keep it moist. Somehow, maybe. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's something I read on Google. I didn't get this recipe off of Google though, because I'm just doing what I do. You know what I'm saying? Cooking really big. And I gotta eat tonight. So let's do that. Let's throw some seasoning on here. This is complete. I love this stuff. It's the bomb. It go on everything. A lady, little black lady, you know what I'm saying, came in Walmart and she was like, y'all got first, y'all ain't got none of that. And I was like, got what? She was like, this was a body or whatever. And I was like, I don't know, let me look. Anyway, she was so amped. She said she had a pepper. She said she had the, you know what I'm saying, she need that. Little ground mustard for some spice. So I was like, bet, I found it for her. But then I told her, I said, wait a minute. I'm gonna try it. Ever since then, it's been right. Red pepper in there. Boom, boom. Just for a little spice. I need something a little bit more salty, just a little bit. Oh, there's regular salt in there. Bam. Oh, wait. I gotta chop some, something to put in there. I ain't just gonna have no regular turkey balls with nothing in it. Chop up some stuff and then we're gonna put it in and I'll be right back. Red, yellow, green, bell peppers, and some onions. It's going dizzle. It's going dizzle. I'm not singing with the song, my bad. Hey man. Hey man. Y'all know about that? Oh wait. If you didn't know, all you doing is like a meatloaf, you know what I'm saying? Squashing it together and then break it up and then put it in some type of balls or a square or a loaf or whatever, however you want to do it. I think I'm gonna do it in balls. I got my balls together. That's what she said. You got your balls together? I'm back again. I'm doing this on the fly. And I think I'm just gonna add a little something on top of a little seasoning on top of it a little bit. I know I put some salt on there, but it wasn't a lot, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little seasoning on it. Roll it around on there. Get on each side, boom, boom. They balls, they can roll. That's not funny. Yes, it is. I'm through rolling the balls. I'll be back. Documenting this so I can remember. I got issues. Ooh, look at that smoke. Oh, yeah. It's gonna go down. See? Oh, the ribs going good. Boom, let's grab the balls. Trying not to get them too close to the fire, but there go the balls. There go the ribs. Why you keep saying balls? That's what they are. Let's do it. Let's get to the easy one. All right, I gotta watch this. But I ain't gonna do it right now. Right, so the next, get my rice going. What? Everybody should know how to cook rice. If you don't, get you a pot. Put some water in it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody make too much rice and too much pasta. I do too. Let's fire on. I don't use no measurement cup because we cooking really big. You know what I'm saying? We just poke till we think we should stop. But really, it's probably about, you know what I'm saying? It's like half a cup. I think it's a fourth a cup for a serving. So, you know what I'm saying? Half a cup for 2 people. A whole cup for 4 people. So I'm just gonna guess. Let's see. Oh, that's 1. That's 2. It's only me, but I might eat something more. So anyway, bam. I like to always throw some salt in there. Or don't stick or whatever. You know how you do that with pasta. Anyway, what's next? I don't know. What am I'm gonna do next? I'm just doing this on the fly, so I don't know what I'm ready to do. Oh, I got some spinach. I'll be back. So now I got my onions going a little bit. I'm gonna throw a little water in there, 1/4 of a cup, just to get the onions marinated in there a little bit. Throw my spinach in there. I like spinach, so I'm probably doing. Well, I ain't gonna do a whole bunch. I gotta say this, but I ain't got a lot of food. But that's enough for another meal. Hey, got it. Oh, and I'm gonna throw these leftover mushrooms in there. Ooh, bam, that's good. Gemini. I'm a Libra. I'm sorry. I'm a wannabe Gemini. Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. A little bit longer. Got a little bit of piece of crunch in there. I don't want that. I want it to be, I want it to be, hey. All right. Hey, you know how I do that? That's dope. Anyway, I'm clouded. Hey, so now we getting ready to chop up the what is that? An orange, boom boom, to go, you know what I'm saying, into the gravy, boom boom, and a little garnish, you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna chop this up. Let me move my hand. Let's take it off. And can you see, is this thing on? I wish I had a grater. If I had a grater, it'd be a whole lot easier. Your cooking shows and got everything you need. We do it how we do it, hood style. Hood style. Oh, orange gravy, tasting gravy sounds crazy, but it was, really, it was really good. I don't know how I came up with that, but all you gotta do is throw a little brown sugar in there, a little sugar. It's still gonna have the gravy flavor a little bit, but it's just gonna have a tinge of orange in it. It's cold-blooded. Making a sound. Dang! I didn't even know this thing was still on. Hey, real fake. I got the real effect. Why I keep looking over here and I should be looking over here? I can't even make my eye go over. Okay. I don't know. Anyway, mixed turkey gravy with 3/4 cup water. Boom, boom. I'm mixing with some milk, some 100%. 1% milk, and then I'm gonna do my thing. I'll be back in a minute. Get over there. Mix it up. Mix it up. I ain't tripping. I'm pouring it in there. I was supposed to bring it to a boil, but I don't do things the way they tell me to do it. Kitchen get dirty. We'll bring that to a boil, and I'll be back. I'm gonna chop up my tomatoes. I just love these tomatoes. I don't know what my problem is, but I got issues. Oh, here we go. That's on everything. Now, I'm gonna throw a little grease up in here. Bam. Throw that in there. I think I got that from my grandma or my mama. Both of them was like serious cookers. Ooh, them breakfast chops that my mama made, and them oxtails that my oxtails too my grandmama made. All right. So that's pretty good. So now what we gonna do? Throw orange peels in there. Y'all ain't heard me. I know it sounds gross. It sounds crazy. It sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, it go hard. I'm gonna throw a little brown sugar in there, and I think I got a little piece of butter in there. My hands clean. Watch I spill it. I ain't got the best pots. I don't care. Wait, can you see that? See that butter in there? You got problems. That's gonna loosen it up a little bit. Pepper in there. Probably it. And then I will be back. Wait a minute, I forgot. I gotta squeeze some orange. In there. I think this is how I did it. I don't remember how I did it. Yeah, that's gonna work. Bam. My hands clean. Then I'll be back. Oh snap! I gotta go get these balls. I gotta go get these balls off of here. Oh, I bet you they look good too. Look at that. They got the marks on them and stuff. Let's go ahead and pull those off. There the balls. I like that one right there. They got markings on it. Oh yeah. Dang! Is this thing on? So anyway, I tasted it. It's pretty good. I had to add a little sugar. Still got the gravy taste. I'm gonna add a little salt, and now I'm gonna add a little pepper. Not a whole bunch. So I don't want to overpower everything. But it's good. I'll let that simmer a little bit. We almost ready. Boom, I'll be back. Okay, so I ended up tasting it. I think it needs a little cayenne. Just a little, not a lot. See, boy, wait till it's on. Look, why I keep leaning left? Cooking really big. Did it. Out of nothing. Look. Out of nothing. Smoked turkey balls. Beautiful. Thank you. Y'all come back and holler at me. Cooking really big.
Big moves, now I'm
Bam.
stepping up the pace. Fuck it out, local legend, I'm claiming my space. Right now, really big vision, it's all so clear. From big to bigger, ha, and now the real, the big, the bigger, the business is here. Yo, be real, be you, let your spirit ignite. Embrace the real be step into your life. Relieve me, recognize the truth, your whole side, relieve things.